Hi everybody, and welcome to today's Dieselducy, Dieselducy.com unboxing. Today we have an item that was sent in by a fan. I believe his screen name is DuckDoesStuff, and this comes to us from Kentucky, Frankfort, Kentucky. With that being said, let's see what he sent us. Obviously, I don't want to dox his address, and if there's a note in here, I'm going to look at it before I read it on camera. I am not out to dox anybody. But yeah, this was a pleasant surprise. Ooh, I'm feeling around in here. There is a note. Let's pull out the note first. Let me see what it says. Oh, okay. I guess we can do it on the live stream. This is a long note. Oh, wow. This is nice. I'm going to let y'all pause to read this. Dear Dieselducy, hello from Frankfurt. My name is Elijah. I have been a huge fan for 10 years since 2015. You were my childhood. You probably get these letters a lot. Actually, I honestly don't. I honestly don't get these letters a lot. But writing this is a very surreal experience. I mean, if I told my 6-year-old self that I was writing a letter to the Dieselducy, I'm just me, I would freak out. Same for me creating an elevator content. My channel is DuckDoesStuff, which obviously he's on these live streams. You have seen me in the comment section of some of your videos, and for that I'm very grateful. And on the live streams, I usually get a lot of questions. I don't know why I do. I've probably asked questions. I can't read. It's not him, it's me. What's your favorite elevator? More than I can count. Well, my favorite elevator, I don't really have one. Probably now at Evie's. I hope you are not a burden at all. I hope you're not a burden. Just the fact that you took the time to send this means a lot to me, and I'm going to save this letter. I'm writing this letter to say thank you for over 10 years of content in my life and a good 60% of my childhood, but I would also like to ask some advice. It's not personal advice, but advice for my channel. I ask, how do I ride the freight elevator? Oh, being swiftly denied. This is a really nice letter, guys. This was really sweet of him. DuckDoesStuff, you're awesome. As far as riding freight elevators, sometimes you just gotta sneak on them. Sometimes you can get permission. It's a risk. But if you come to Roanoke, you can ride the freight elevator at the Elevator Museum all you want. So with that being said, we're gonna unbox this item now. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. What did he send? Oh my gosh, this is an old tractor from a Hot Wheels. I'm saving the best for last. I think, yeah, oh, it's complete. Oh no, oh wow, we got is this a Hyundai? No, it's a Volvo. This is a Volvo. Cool, we got a Volvo hatchback. We got one more item in the bag, and I think we're saving the best for last. Oh my gosh, it's exactly what I thought it was. Here is the grand reveal. Now, I'm going to show this in some of my videos because I promised I would, but this is the holy grail that he sent in. We are going to slowly reveal it. Ooh, ah. Wow, that's right. He sent us a Dieselducy, a Matchbox shunter. So that was DuckDoesStuff. Thank you so much for taking the time to write in. And no, you're not a burden, and you wouldn't believe this, but this doesn't happen very often. So this gesture is very special, and I must say a big thank you, DuckDoesStuff. So if you're following this channel, go give his channel a look. I'm going to give him a shout out for this. Thank you so much, and that'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.